Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. I've got a bowl of powder here. Powder. The reason why I'm showing you this powder is because this is Miyoko's Unturkey seasoning. And it's got a base of nutritional yeast, and it's full of a very long list of herbs and spices. I know there's like onion and garlic in here, celery seed, thyme, marjoram, all kinds of stuff I can't remember. White pepper, black pepper. It's going to make everything you make for Thanksgiving taste like Thanksgiving. You season, if you're going to make a seitan turkey, it will season the seitan dough. It will make the stock that you simmer the seitan in after you have baked it. It'll make the broth for the stuffing and the basting liquid when you're roasting the seitan turkey. She calls it her Unturkey. I make my turkey a little bit differently from the way she does, but it's based on her recipe. Just a different technique. It'll make the broth for the gravy too. It's going to go into everything, and it tastes really good. So I will have, I think I already have the recipe on my blog. So I will link it in the description. No tasting because this is a seasoning powder. But anyway, yeah, if you want to make anything from scratch for Thanksgiving, this is the seasoning to go with. I don't think they make anything similar on the market, a seasoning powder for Thanksgiving turkey alternative dishes. So thank you for watching. I think this is going to be another short one. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I do regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Although I have a feeling I'm probably going to start doing daily uploads because I have a lot of recipes and Thanksgiving is next week. So, yeah, at least daily, maybe sometimes two. I'm not sure. I'll be able to get it through everything I want to do, but I'm going to give it a try. So, yeah, regular community tab posts Monday and Friday, and the reason why I mention that is because I don't think anybody gets notifications. If you do get notifications, let me know, please. I don't think anybody's getting notifications, though, and I rarely get notifications when somebody leaves me a comment. I have to go looking. Anyway, let me see. I think that's it. So I will see you later, guys.